9. Short-tailed pygmy. Tyrant length, about 6.5 centimeters. Weight, around 4 grams. Wingspan, thus 9 to 10 centimeters. Habitat, rainforests. Location, Amazon basin, Brazil, Peru, Colombia. Diet, tiny insects. Color, olive greenish upper parts. Family, tyrant flycatchers. Nesting, unknown due to secretive habits. Interesting fact, smallest perching bird, passerine. 10. Goldcrest. Length 8.5 to 9.5 centimeters. Weight 4.5 to 7 grams. Wingspan 13.5 to 15.5 centimeters. Habitat, coniferous forests. Location, Europe, parts of Asia. Diet, insects and spiders. Color, olive green with bright yellow-orange crown. Behavior, very active, always flitting about nesting. Makes hanging nests in conifers. Interesting fact, smallest bird in Europe,